You are a professional student. You are welcome to another session of equity valuation. And in this session, common stock valuation model is our major assignment. And we are talking of stock valuation. Stock valuation is the process of determining the intrinsic value of a share of common stock of a company. Of determining what? Know this, intrinsic value. So there are two approaches to value a share of common stock. The first one is absolute valuation, which involves discounted cash flow method, and the second one is relative valuation, which I also call comparable approach. Now, when we are talking of stock valuation, the purpose of stock valuation is to find the value of a common share, which is justified by the company earning and growth potential. By the company what? Company earnings and growth potentials. Now, another reason for calculating